First, let us grow persimmon from seed. Buy a fully ripe persimmon fruit and take out its seeds. Wash the seed and soak in water for 3 days to soften its outer cover. Throw away any floating seeds after 3 days as they will not germinate. Fresh seeds germinate quickly within a few weeks. Place the bag in shade at a warm place. Seed may take a few weeks to germinate. Note that the older seeds will take longer to germinate. Plant the sprouted seed about 1 centimeter deep in free draining soil. Keep seedlings in indirect sunlight at a bright place for 2-3 weeks, then transplant in a bigger pot. Use a large container at least 60 centimeter wide and deep. The container should provide good drainage by plenty of drainage holes. Standing water in pot may kill the plant. Persimmons grow best at 10 to 35 degrees Celsius in full sun, at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. The plant may die below 5 degrees Celsius for a long time. Persimmons need slightly acidic, free draining and nutrition rich soil. The soil pH level for persimmons should ideally be between 6.5 and 7.5. Use a mixture of 70% potting mix, 15% river sand and 15% compost. The river sand makes the soil free draining while compost makes the slide slightly acidic and nutrition rich. Repotting. When repotting, cut the taproot by 25% in the first repotting to encourage multiple side roots which absorb nutrients and help the plant to grow properly. If you are happy with the size of the plant, then change about 25% soil and repot in the same pot. When repotting, trim about 25% of bottom roots and add new soil and compost. This will keep the tree happy and healthy. Watering persimmons. Keep the soil moist but not wet. Young persimmon plant will need watering at least once a day during hot days. Water only when the topsoil 1 inch gets dry. Do not use a saucer at the bottom of the pot for drainage of excess water, or if you use it, then remove the water from it. In winter, the plant may not need water for several days. Pruning gives tree a healthy and dense shape. First pruning is done when the plant is seedling. Cut at the height of about 6 inch to promote growth of new branches. See, the new branches at cut points have grown. You can pinch again to promote more branches. Cut back any dead or diseased branches. Even the dwarf variety can go to about 8 feet tall, so pruning is needed every couple of years in late winter. Fertilizer for persimmons. Feed a balanced fertilizer in early spring. Sprinkle fertilizer along the rim of the pot and mix it in the soil. Over fertilization can prevent fruit development. Top dress with compost or cow manure. Then put a layer of mulch and water. Mulch adds valuable nutrients to the soil released during its breakdown. Feed a liquid fertilizer like Power Feed or Miracle Grow from spring to late summer every 2 weeks. Pest and diseases on persimmon tree in a pot. Persimmon is relatively free from pests and diseases, but mealybugs, scales, and ants can be there. Use a spray of dilute neem oil to treat the insect problems. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil, 1 milliliter pest oil, and a few drops of liquid dishwashing soap in 1 liter water and spray on all the leaves. Persimmon food drop. The dropping of persimmon fruits may be due to underwatering, overwatering, or too less sunlight. The yellowing of leaves turning brown and then fall can be due to high pH of soil. Soil becoming too dry can also drop the leaves early. Persimmon flower and fruit. Plant persimmon variety that is self-pollinating, so other tree is not needed for pollination. You can harvest the fruit in autumn when they lose their green color and turn to orange or yellow. Pick the fruits before they are fully ripe on the tree to protect them from squirrels, possums and birds. Place them on kitchen table. They will fully ripen within a couple of days. Store the ripe persimmons in the fridge for a few weeks.